Welcome everyone. Cleavages can be defined as binary lines of divisions. Yes versus no, rich versus poor, black versus white, and more. When we broaden our scope to societies, cleavages reflect societal and cultural lines that divide citizens within a society into groups with different interests. Traditional cleavages include owners versus workers, urban versus rural, church versus state, center versus periphery. Other cleavages might relate to the environment, individual rights, economy, sport. Since cleavages represent binary choices, when more than one cleavage meet each other, they might overlap or cross-cut. Let's think in practical terms. Think how conservative views on gender roles might relate to strong church attendance. How skepticism towards vaccines might relate to low trust in government. How progressive views might relate to listen certain types of music. Again, they might, but they do not have to. How does this relate to polarization? If more than one cleavage overlaps, they tend to strengthen existing divisions and widen the gap between two alternative groups. And as a result, reinforce polarization. Each new line of division overlapping the existing ones will multiply the effect. Instead, if lines of divisions cross-cut each other, they tend to dilute their binary nature and tend to blend within a diverse society formed by multiple rather than two groups, therefore reducing polarization. Now, let's think of our friends Mel and Diane. As we know, Mel and Diane might have different feelings about building a bridge. Now, imagine that they agree on many other aspects of urban development. They prefer parks over highways, libraries over malls, schools over parking lots. Now, obviously, it will be easier for them to find a middle ground when it comes to the bridge, as they already used to be on the same side when it comes to other key aspects of the city development that share a number of key features with the bridge itself. It would be obviously much more complicated if they would be on the opposite side on every issue, since this would reinforce their sense of belonging to opposing fronts.